Alright, we're gonna try the Pittsburgh mini air compressor to fill up the tire. It's kind of low. Let me see how much air pressure it has. Right now, less than 20. It doesn't even show. So less than 20 psi. Okay, we gotta hook it to the cigarette lighter. Put it on. See, less than 20. Turn it on. Time it. He's timing it right now. It's dancing. It's loud. Still going. Almost 30 psi. 25. And we're at 2.5 minutes. 5 minutes up. And I have about 30 psi. So here is the mini air compressor from Harbor Freight. It actually worked. I mean, it kind of smells like burned wires or something. Still working, but for $6-7, I guess it's good for a emergency, I guess, if you trust it. But just plug it in, that's it.